This is gray glass, gray with clear, single gray. The storefront frame is 5 inches deep. We're going to use this window in cases when we need to do a larger opening with one window. We're the big window people. This window can get to be 84 by 144 tall. So this window can get super huge, super heavy. We're used to figuring out how to move them around, getting where you need them, and it's a beautiful upgrade to your house. We've changed whole slider systems into windows like this, single windows. Here's an example of clear glass, white interlayer. So it's way whiter than the grays and stuff we've been seeing. We saw gray over there, we saw almost black with the privacy. This one's white interlayer with clear glass, so it's like very milky white looking. Here's the crest handle in bronze here under here. You can see that. That's the crest 3-point locking handle in bronze. But you can order this door without the crest handle and provide any standard hardware of your choice. We'll put it on for you free of charge. What else do we got? Here's regular clear glass. You know, there's another privacy with clear glass. If you want to have a kind of side-by-side comparison for what it's worth. You might be able to see in the video. Clear glass, double gray tint, low emissivity tint on clear glass. There's another storefront window. You see here's a somewhat bigger one. Like I said, they can get way bigger than this. One piece of glass. It's a beautiful look. It's the Eurocraft product. Here's a bunch more sliders.